Check economy news this morning. The housing market, U.S. housing market, has been showing signs of a rebound. Here to tell us what that means is a good friend of ours, Kurtis Pearson from Compass Financial in West Des Moines. And first of all, Kurt, why is this good news for the economy?
Well, it impacts everyone's general attitude about the economy. Many times our homes are the largest item on our net worth statement, and if we see the values of our homes beginning to rebound and trekking higher, it just makes us feel good about everything else that's going on in our financial life.
It's also a good job creation indicator too, isn't it?
It really is, because here in Des Moines I'm hearing right down on the street that construction has definitely picked up, and folks that have put off even improving their homes that they've held for a long time are now initiating those projects and moving forward.
Do you see the home value trend continuing, increasing?
Well, we're still about 22% below the peak from like April of '06 or somewhere in there. Last month or 2 months ago, April, we were up about 12%. So that's a pretty strong indicator that we've rebounded significantly. Will we hit that peak that we had in April of '06? I'm not sure, but nevertheless, people are very positive about the trend in the housing market at the moment.
And housing prices are very dependent upon low interest rates, and you know the Fed has kept the rates very, very low. And do you see that continuing?
Well, that's anybody's guess. What I'm watching, even more important, I think, is the relationship between wage growth and housing prices. Because if there becomes a disconnect between wage growth and housing prices, and right now there is one, it could mean that the sustainability of the housing price increase could be in jeopardy or short-lived. So that wage growth is very important for people to monitor.
Okay, and this sounds kind of unusual, but a lot of people are paying cash for homes around the United States.
Yeah, the trend is pretty incredible. Usually it's around 5% of total sales are cash sales. Right now it's about 20%. It's indicative of something that's going on, and that is investors are buying up homes mainly to speculate on price movement. So buying a home not necessarily to inhabit it, but just to own it for a little while and speculate on the price going higher. That bodes for more volatility in the housing market than perhaps we've seen in the past.
Okay, and that happening mostly in really super depressed markets like, say, Phoenix and Las Vegas and in parts of Florida. Do you see that happening here in Des Moines a whole lot?
Oh, a little bit more tapered and tempered here in Des Moines, but nevertheless it still is.
All in all, a good time to buy a home if you're looking?
It is.
Okay. Kurtis Pearson, Compass Financial, West Des Moines. Thank you very much. We appreciate you taking the time.